Hello to all of you. This is Solomon Aguzo. Once again, it's another day. Today is Lucky Tuesday. Uh, Yesterday we didn't get anything, so still we are working hard. We need to forge ahead. And today I have two separate plans for you. One is a transfer from national, and then one direct from Tuesday to Tuesday. So I would like to show the Tuesday plan first, then we go to the national. So Tuesday I saw 70 drop and repeated. You see, this machine, winning to machine 2023. So 70 drop and repeated. Here 81 drop and repeated. If you count upwards, you will see 81. And then here it is 70. So as usual of my plans, you know, this is a vice versa formation. So the 81 was here, 78 was here, and the interchange. 78 came here repeated, 81 came here repeated. So the 70 splitted into 67, 11. And here we should look for two numbers addition of 81. So what do we do? On top of the 81, you will see two numbers addition 60. So here 26, 34, addition of 60, carrying the 81. Or the 81 is carrying the 2. If you come here, the two numbers on top of 78 are 34, 39, which is addition of what? 73. So let's write the two numbers down. 26, 34 will be addition of what? 60. And then on top of the 78, it is 34, 39. So 34, 39. This will be addition of what? 73. Alright, so since that is the those are we have finished finding additions, you count upwards from here to the top. You see a number drop, and 6 weeks down or 7 weeks down, the number comes back. So you come here, it is 54 from here, then 54 comes down. You see, so link them up, link the two up. You see, 67 came back, 54 came back. So if you want to find that is 70, you realize that the 67 here was the number that came, and then went from the 70 to drop 11. So, but we are, you know, I work beyond that. So I'll tell you where the 11 is coming from. So if you come to on top of the 78 here, the two numbers that are addition of 73 on top of the 70, as we got the 72 over here, you see, that's 78, that's 73. That 73 was the number that splitted into 2 to give you 62 and 11. You see, so if you subtract 11, if you subtract this 67 from the 78, and you got your 11, that 11 must come, you come and subtract it from this addition 73, and you get 62. So the 62 was the number that dropped here before the 78 came under it, and then the 11 came to go and pick the 67 to give you addition of 78. Let me repeat that again for those of you who don't understand. I'm saying that you come from here, to here, 67 comes here and then comes back. Here 54 came back. You see? So in case you want to find addition 78, you do this for me. This is addition of 73 on top of the 78. And so the 78 is coming here to repeat. The addition 73 is operating over here. So you go and then use the 67, subtract it from what? The 78, and you get 11. So if you get the 11 from this 73 was the 62 on top of the 78 over here. So if the 78 drop and repeated, is that 11 that went to pick the 67 and the drop as 2 direct? You see? So when you come here, 54 came back and came back. The two numbers on top of the 81 over here is 26, 34 addition 60. So if the 81 came here and repeated, this is what is happening over there. So this 54 already is a banker because the 67 came back, and we use the 67 to find addition 78. So here, if it is 54, you are going to use that 54 to find addition 81. And already we know that if you subtract 54 from 81, you'll be getting 27. So if you get a 27, then this is what you have to do for me. That 27 from the addition of this 60, this 26, 34, which we got a 60 over here. That 27 from the 60 is the double 3 here. That drop before the 81 came under it and then repeated. So after the 81, you should go and bring the 27 in addition to the 54 to give you addition of this 81. Let me repeat that again. 81 carries 26 34 addition of this 60. Already we got 54 here. So if you want to get addition 81, you subtract the 54 from the 81 and you'll be getting 27. So that 27, since you got addition 60 on top of the 81, if the 81 came and repeated, it is that 27 from the addition 60 that gave you double 3. And then the 81 came and that repeated. Therefore, you have to go and pick your 27 back against what? The 54. So that should be too short. 27 54. It is clear. 27 54. So let me go back to the national and then. So national, I'm in my village, so the video might not be clear. I'm in the village and I need to just, as we work as closely, I need to do something. So if the video is not clear, please listen to the sound very well. Watch the video carefully, you get it. So national, you see 54 carrying a certain number. So 54 carrying 28. Here 54 carrying 12. You see 54 carrying 20. Here 54 carries 12. So as that counting with, you see 63. The following, the 63 will repeat, will split into 33, 30. You see. So here too, as that counting, we come and see 63. You see, 63. Following the 63 split to 33, 30, addition 63. Here, 63, 30, 33. Here to 63, 30, 33. You understand it? So from there, 1, 2, 3, 61 goes to machine. So here, 1, 2, 3, 61 goes to machine. So when the 61 goes to machine, it is this 30 and 63 that came back. So that one, you take it as constant numbers on the best. But perm this event for me. Perm this event, constant event, perm the numbers over here. Try to perm this event. So 63 followed by the split of 63, 33, 30, addition of 63. So 61 goes to machine. And then the 63 came back against the 30. So if you come here, 63 followed by the split of 30, 33. The split of 63 addition, 30, 33, addition of that 63. Counting 61 moves to machine. Therefore, the 63 becomes banker against the 30. So you can, those of you who are this thing, simple plan enthusiast, you can just 30 63 30 63 30 63 30 63 30 63. All right. So but the main plan over there, let me show you something. You realize that when a double 3 drop here, a number went under it and repeated. So here 79 drop and repeated. If you come here, the number that went under the 80 double 3 and repeated was 81. So what you need to do, the number on top of the this thing 20 the 54 is 28. So that 28 from the number that dropped and repeated, which is 79, here will be 51. That 51 is the number that moved under 25 in machine here. So when the 79 dropped and repeated, when the 29 dropped, 79 dropped, 25 went to machine. So the 79 repeated, and the 28 on top of 54 went from the 79 and gave you 51. That 51 was the number that moved under the 25 in machine. Therefore, bring the 51 as banker. If you come here, since the number on top of 54 is no longer 28, it is 12 then. What you need to do is the 12 from the 81 will give you 69. When the 81 drops, 25 was in machine. You see 25 in machine. So 81 repeated. Go and subtract the 12 from the 81, we get 69. The 69 is the number that move under the hot 25 in machine. You see 25 in machine. 25 in machine. You see the 12 from the 81 will give you 69. 69 will move under the 25 in machine. Like the way 28 from 79 will give you 51 under the 25 in machine. The 51 came. Here too, the 12 from the 81 will give you 69. 69 move under the 25 in machine. Therefore, the 69 will be banker today. So 69 is 1 to 90. Now, where the 54 was, you saw this number, 58. Here, it is double 8, an ending 8 number. So the 58 will move and come back. So here the double 8 also move and came back. So center, you see, center box number. So if you subtract that 51 from the 58, you get 7. You see, we're getting 7. That 7 from 59 is the 52 over here. That made the 30, 33. So 58 to move, came back to center box. If you operationalize 28 from what? 79, get 51. The 51 move under the 25. If the 51 is coming, the 51 went from this 58 and gave you 7. So that 7 from 59 is the 52, that made 30, 33 here. Therefore, bring the 7 in addition to what, the 51 to give you addition 58. If you come here, you are then looking for addition of 88. So what you need to do then is that since you've gotten your 69 already, 69 also from the 88 will give you 19. You see, so the 19 from 59 is also the 40 here in machine here. You see, it's also the 40 in machine here. So if you subtract the 69 from 88, you get 19. That 19 from 59 is the 40 over here. Therefore, 1969 becomes too short. 1969 becomes, that's why I wrote it here. 1969. Now, the 82 here, I don't know whether is the number on top of what? The 54, that 10. So if the number on top of the 12, the 54 must 10, it is then 12 here. So you add 21. So this will be 3 numbers, but the too short is 1969. So don't forget to permit the event, especially when 63 came back and repeated and went under the 30. So the 30, 63 to another too short. So don't forget to rely on the event too. Thank you very much. My name is again Solomon. This is my focus for the week. So 2754 is here. It's my 2 direct. 2754. Then this is 3 numbers. 69, 12, 21. So the 2 sure will be this. 2 sure will be this. 1969. Then 27, 54. Then 30, 33. That one is as simple as anything. All of you can understand it. The numbers are just constant. They are coming back. All right. So thank you very much. By the evening time, I'll be in town and we'll be working on midweek together tomorrow morning. God bless all of you. Grateful.